Hi, this is the Kumar Gaurav. Today I will discuss about the workbook, how to open the workbooks and how to open from the different folders. So I'm just starting from the starting. So how to open a simple workbooks there. So I'm just opening the workbooks. Can you see this is workbooks dot open, and then I'm giving the path, and now selecting and can you see the workbook has been opened and the array functions. This workbook has been opened. So this is the way how we can open the workbooks. Now I'm just in defining the path as a string. So how it will work, so I let's see. So basically at first I'm defining the text as a string. Dim text as string, then text equal to this one, then workbooks dot open txt text. Now you can see this workbook has been opened. So basically here I used the path, means that I defined the text as a string and given the path is assigned to this value, and this value is now trying to the open workbooks dot open. Now suppose we want to open the workbook dynamically, so how it will work? So from the different folders, so that at first how it will. So just I'm writing the code for that. Dim text as a string, then application dot file dialog mso file dialog open dot show. Now text as a application dot file dialog mso file dialog file picker dot selected items 1, then workbooks dot open equal to text. Now it has been completed the code. Now trying to the open, just can you see there is so many file. I'm trying to open this one, so I click on and click on the open button. So there is the file has been opened. Suppose I want to try to open different workbook. So for that I again run the code. Suppose this file, so I click on that, you can see the file has been opened. So this is the way how we can open the file dynamically. Now the file I want to open of a specific form is specific format, just like read only mode, update links and the formats. So for that I'm just selecting the and at first workbooks dot open, then file name then after update link, update links is 3, then I'm giving read only mode, true, then format mat equal to 3. Now it has been complete. Then now I'm clicking here to open this. You can see the workbook has been opened and it is the read only mode. So we can open the files in a specific format. Here is the terms is basically the update link and format. So for to understand that things, update links basically there is the value, numeric value corresponding, there is the criteria for the 3 Excel update all links, and for the format there is the I have the mention here the 3 is the it is the assign a delimiter as a space. So this is the criteria how we open the any particular files according to the update links and format numeric value. Now I am trying to open the any workbooks with giving the path. So how it will open, just see dim path as string, then path equal to application dot input box, then select path type. I am using here 8, then workbook dot open path. Now I'm just clicking here, select the path, and you can see the file has been opened, array function. So for the 8 value there is the specific, there is the numeric value, there is for the 8 we have a type, the a cell reference as a range object. We are assigning here the range particular to for the path. So this is the how we are opening the any particular workbook